Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guys. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to block URL or websites on Google. So the first thing you want to do is you want to install a blocker. So to do that, click this icon right here, extensions, go to manage extensions, and then go to Chrome Web Store. From here, just type in URL blocker. And here you already have some available extensions that you can use to block websites. Now, the famous one is blocksite.co. So how you can install this, just click on add to Chrome, add it as an extension. Then from here on, you can use this website to block certain applications on your Google. So here, just click on accept. And of course, there are certain payments here, but you can just skip that for a limited plan only. Then skip that as well. Then that's it. So to add a URL you want blocked, just click on the add block list. And then here you have categories already. So example, adult adult websites like pornography sites, you can choose to block those applications. You can also type in here the applications you want to block. So let's say Amazon right here. Just click on the plus sign right here. Then click on done. Automatically, that's it. You have blocked off Amazon and adult websites to your Google account. If you type in Amazon here, as you can see, it's already blocked by BlockSite. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.